Are you a rideshare or food delivery driver? Do you think you're paying too much in taxes? If that's you, you need to watch this video. Hi there, my name is Basia Sukwo. I'm a financial strategist. I work with a team of financial strategists and tax professionals to ensure your needs are well taken care of. These are your current tax deductions as a rideshare and a food delivery driver. Standard mileage, cell phone, cell phone accessories, paid apps and services, dashcam, passenger amenities, car loan interest, parking and toll if you're a delivery driver, car wash, detailing, sanitizing, roadside assistance, and health insurance. Do you think you still pay much after all these deductions? Here are a few ways you can increase your expenses, but it must be properly structured by professionals and must be legal. Office space, internet bills, cost of preparing taxes, additional mileage other than the one for gig, fees, education, and much more. Now, 2021. This is true story. I have a client of mine whom we structured a strategy on how he could increase his expenses, thereby reducing his taxes. So at the end of the year, he made well over $57,000 driving for Grubhub. And when we finally sat with our team to evaluate all he did, he ended up paying $500 for federal taxes and then $15 in state taxes. I'm not saying this might be your case. I'm not saying this to impress you, but rather to impress upon you that if we sit together and plan out strategies for you, you might end up paying less in taxes and keep more of your money just by showing you the strategies that have been working for our other clients. Now, is your income protected? Most jobs offer workers compensation at a certain level for their workers, but as a gig worker, besides car crash, which your auto insurance would handle, what if you happen to to get any of these sicknesses diagnosed, like a chronic, critical, or terminal illness? What plan do you have to ensure your bills, your investments are not interrupted? Think about it. Do you have any plans in place? Would you still be able to pay for your house rent, or your mortgage, your investments, your kids' school fees, and all that? Would you be able to keep up with that? Because your health insurance would only take care of your medical bills. And then if it's an auto insurance, it will only take care of just a little bit. But do you have a plan in place? What if we could show you a way to have that for yourself? Would there be any reason why you don't want to sit with us? Well, what's your retirement goal? Because we're not planning to work here all our life. At some point, we are all gonna retire. If you have your other job, certainly you would have a 401k, 403b, or depending on where you are. But as a gig driver, what plans do you have in place for your retirement? Now let's take for an example. If you, assuming you were currently earning 50,000 annually while driving your rideshare delivery, and then you think the lifestyle you have currently would be sustainable in retirement. Let's say you want to make same 50,000 in retirement. This is a simple formula. This is a simple formula how you can arrive at that. You would need to save 1.2 million in order for you to net $50,000. Depending on where you put your money, it might be taxed. But what if we show you a way, a strategy, how to save this money and never get taxed ever? Would that be something you want to learn? Stick with me. What should you save, and where is the safest place to save for your retirement? Now let's look at another analysis here. If you want to have a normal retirement, you should save 10% of your annual income. If you want to have a good retirement, you should save 20% of your annual income. But if you want to have your dream retirement, you should save 35% of your annual income. Now, how much how much are you making? How much can you save? That is determined by the kind of life you want to live and your goals. But again, most people aren't making enough money to survive, let alone to save. So, are you keeping your options open? If this is you, are you keeping your options open? What if I told you there was a way to make an extra income while still running your gig uninterrupted with a little effort upfront, and in the long run, no effort is required? Would you be open to a part-time business career that actually complements what you're currently doing? I hope so. How much time can you create? Because of 24 hours, how much do you need in a day to make money, the money you need? What if we showed you how to create time? Because right now, let me ask you a question. Is your income dependent on your time? If that's solely true, then there's a problem there. What if we could show you a way to create 1,000 hours amount of work income within 2 hours day effort? And let me explain that. That might be too complicated to you. What if we showed you how to put in just 2 hours of your time and then make an income that requires 1,000 hours? Wouldn't that be something you want to know? Absolutely. So where should you save your retirement money? Because let's go back to retirement, because that's a big problem for gig drivers that I've sat with. But again, with my client, I've structured something out for him and for them. Rather, I have about 20 clients driving for rideshare and food delivery. But we need more, because we know there's a lot of problems. These people, though they are doing good jobs, but they are underserved. So we want to serve them. So now, how do you determine where to put this money? There are 3 ways money actually grows, and this is what you have to know. Money grows in a fixed, variable, and index way. But I'm not going to talk about that in this episode. So if you want to really learn more about this, follow me on my page. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. If you want to actually sit with us to learn more, you can click on the link below, or you look for my bio somewhere around the top or the side, and then schedule an appointment with us. Then we will show you strategy that fits your need. And again, we'll actually qualify you to see if this is something that you can do. Until next time, take care of yourself, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.